Entech Instruments, founded in 1989, was the first to introduce a multi-canister pre-concentration system and has systems in more laboratories around the world than any other supplier. The Entech 7200 Preconcentrator represents the fourth generation in GCMS sample preparation systems for the analysis of vapor phase volatile compounds. The 7200 takes the industry standard 7100A's three-stage pre-concentration and water management technology and elevates it to a whole new level. With its unparalleled system hygiene, quality assurance, automated leak checking, and compatibility with next-generation auto samplers, the 7200 is in a league of its own. Completely redesigned using 3D computer modeling, many of the limitations in rotary valve-based pre-concentrators are eliminated by combining digital valve isolation control with advanced robotic autosamplers, dropping potential for carryover and cross-contamination far below previously obtainable levels. 4 built-in inlets are available on the 7200 for direct sample introduction, or as inlets for multi-position autosamplers, such as the 7650 and 7016D. Unique to Entech, the 7200 utilizes a 3-stage water management system that provides effective water removal while recovering a wider range of compounds than any other air preconcentrator. Rather than using dry purging, Entech's extended cold trap dehydration takes advantage of the concentration differences between water and target analytes to allow all TO15 and PAMS compounds to be recovered quantitatively using the same analytical technique. Cold trapping using weak absorbents also reduces the frequency of trap changes due to lack of exposure to the trapping media. Following effective matrix management, the 7200 deposits the sample on the head of the column using a low thermal mass focuser that injects the sample to the GCMS using heating rates of up to 10,000 degrees Celsius per minute to provide unrivaled chromatography and light end resolution. Improved resolution means narrower peak widths, cleaner spectra, and lower detection limits. Entech's patent-pending AccuSample technology combines digital valve control with direct volume measurement, eliminating errors inherent in mass flow controller-based volume measurements, especially when making small volume measurements of 10 to 20 cc's or when analyzing non-air matrices. With digital flow path management, you can achieve precise volume determination of complex gas matrices, including landfill gas, helium diffusion sampling, and high methane, while minimizing the potential for cross-contamination. An optional loop injection valve can be added to further reduce quantitative sample volume measurements down to as low as 0.25 cc. As with all analytical instruments from Entech, all flow paths within the 7200 are Silanite D coated to provide superior inertness, durability, and corrosion resistance. With laboratories now routinely analyzing both ambient air and soil gas samples, system hygiene had to be elevated to a whole new level. As with its predecessor, the 7200 has the ability to backflush its lines. However, the new design drastically improves component isolation. The 7200 features a shorter sample path and the all-new ability to prevent cross-contamination during sample inlet selection. New autosamplers for the 7200 shorten sample exposure times to seconds rather than hours or days, further reducing carryover when analyzing higher concentration samples. The modular SmartLab 2 design allows for a simple support strategy to keep your 7200 pre-concentration system operating at peak performance. Entech customers enjoy reliable operation, allowing them to focus on optimizing laboratory efficiency and productivity. Should you need assistance, highly trained Entech support engineers are available for fast on-site service or dedicated email and phone support. Entech is your complete air sample collection and analytical solution partner, and we're dedicated to your success.